Hey YouTube scrappers, Trailer Scrap back at you. I just wanted to take a quick minute to make a little video on light fixtures and how to scrap them. So this is some stuff I picked up over the last week. I do this like 1 hour a day after work, and I pick this light fixture up basically out of the trash. So as usual, we'll start this off by cutting all the wires. Save those. Remember to keep these ends. Basically, a light fixture is nothing more than a bunch of steel, a couple lights, some wire, and a ballast. Goes in the wire bin. That merely is steel. Put a magnet on, see it sticks. Put that with the steel. Put on the trailer. All we have to do is get the ballast out. Has a screw in it, so I'm going to grab a screwdriver. That is a ballast, ladies and gentlemen. You want to keep those separately. I guess you could take these apart, but I never do because my scrapyard takes them whole. You can save up 10, 20, 30 of them. Just keep them around until you have enough of them to scrap. Well, that's it. All left is steel. The light fixture's done. Don't pass the light fixtures up when you're driving down the street. If you see one, just grab it. You can't make any money unless you pick it up. Alright guys, been a pleasure. God bless. Happy scrapping. Go make some money. Alright, peace.